Hi, my name is Shymanskiy. I am from Ukraine. I am a sculptor. I've studied in a Lviv Academy of Arts, and now I have a workshop with Volodya Semkiv where we work together. Now I have several projects commercial to the cemetery and one project for scouts in Lviv. For the first days of invasion Russian against Ukraine, I become a volunteer. I stopped to work as an artist. Of course, I don't think about my works that are located in the public spaces. For me, it's important to stop shooting so that no one dies. After 18 days of war, I tried something to paint about war, but it's too difficult for me because I want to help physically. I understand that I should paint and sculpting about this war because this is the one of kind of the weapon. What I want to say to my friends in Europe and abroad: thank you for all kinds of your support. It's very important. And I know that a lot of Russian people live in Europe and think that Putin doing right. It's true. And I want you to tell everyone and everywhere a real situation, what's happening actually now in Ukraine, to tell the truth. I never wished anyone dead. And now I want Putin to die. I understand that this is a whole political regime. It's not a one person. We are not brothers, and never have been, as the Russian says, and dot. Russian and her all history is built on lies and violences. Now we can see exactly what is white and what is black. The war sharpens borders, physical, spiritual. Our mind and hearts become cold. And Ukraine never give up. Thank you. Slava Ukraini. This is my work with Volodya workshop. Here we work and create. It's look like this. Here we have a second floor in works. And here I do my work creative. It's a leg that will be from the wood.